Good evening, friends.
Good evening,
Today
sir.
we are gathering here discussion on a topic: should liquor shop be banned or not? So, friends, in my opinion, it should be not banned because, friends, as we know, liquor is the good source of revenue for a state and country. As I want to give example of Uttarakhand, in annually revenue of our Uttarakhand is 2,468 crore rupees annually. So we can imagine how big amount is this. So by this amount government can give facility to their citizen. Friends, just think if government will be ban liquor, so people just change and they just use to hooch, which is the poor quality of liquor. In my opinion, it should be not banned.
According to me, liquor shops should not be banned because we all know that the alcohol has come from the Europe country where is the very cold. They used to take alcohol to get rid of from the winters. It when you take liquor in a minimum quantity, so it affect your heart and it increase your heartbeat, and then your blood circulation will increase, and then you easily survive in the cold. Also, when the medicine has not come, so in that time person also use the liquor as a medicine. Liquor is also connected with the Christian religion. So if we ban the liquor shop, it will affect the thoughts of the Christian religion.
I agree that point. The liquor should help to grow a nation to economically, and but in the second way, there are many lots of accident to cause of by boozing lots of liquor. So in this case, liquor should be banned.
Yes, I appreciate ma'am point. If we talk about our country, there are approx 50% case accidental due to liquor. But just think there is many other reason also, like road condition, weather condition, and vehicle condition, and also driver condition. There is other things for accident. So I want to tell you, in our country, who cast the vote? Above 18-year people cast the vote. If they are casting vote, it means they are well known about what is good or what is bad. So if they don't want to, they know it is injurious to health, it is not good. So there should be freedom, because we are people and we are living in democratic country. We have freedom. It depends on us what is good or what is bad, what should we have consumed and what should not. So in my opinion, it should be not banned.
So according to me, that liquor shop should be banned. Because of that, nowadays crime rates is going on everywhere, and because of liquor, most of the housewife they have to face a lots of problem in their house. According to me, that for the crime rates, it's causes of liquor.
Yes, ma'am, I partially agree with you. Recently, there is 5 states in our nation which totally ban liquor in their state. I want to give example of Bihar. In 2016, there is liquor ban in Bihar. But what happened? After liquor ban, they are just using hooch. And we can read on newspaper many times. Many people lost their life due to this hooch, because it's poor quality of liquor, and this is illegal also because these people not pay tax. So in our country we have largest population all over world, so it is not possible if our government ban liquor, so people just use next way, just they illegally will be use this. So in my opinion, it's not good.
Yes, liquor should be banned, because I think liquor shop should be banned because liquor is detrimental to health. It has lots of bad effect on our health, and the people who are boozer, over time they start to develop lots of health related issue, like liver related issue, kidney related issue, and heart related issue. And I think liquor is also a bone of contention between families and fights, so liquor shop should be banned.
I appreciate your point also, but I totally agree with my teammates. So banning is not a permanent solution. It's a temporary solution. If I'm talking about the editorial page of Indian Express, then they mention 3 points why it should not be banned. First thing is enforcement. to, okay, if the liquor should be banned, first government make a law and act, and for the making a law, it should be enforcement of the particular area and some particular state or particular country. But it is very tough to create enforcement to all over area, because it needs more government manpower, it needs more money, it needs more time. It will affect our system also.
And after taking alcohol, they misbehave, they abuse each other, and they fight with each other. Then they spoil the entire atmosphere of the party, and kids are also present in party. This thing negatively impact their mind, and after party, when they take lots of alcohol, then they drink and drive. Then they drive,
Yes,
then they
yes.
have accident, and I think for public safety, liquor shop should be banned.
Yes, ma'am, you may be right on your way, but just think, we have one largest democratic country, and once Abraham Lincoln said, democracy is to the people, for the people, and by the people. So just think, as a democratic nation, so we have freedom, so we know well what is good, what is bad. Government cannot stop us by forcefully. So I already mentioned, if there is a 18-year-old youth choosing government, he is casting vote, so it means he is know well what is good or what is bad. So it is not solution stop or ban liquor. The solution is that government should be focused on good education, provide good education, good nutrition, and also good awareness of two people. So then people know about what is good for them. If we by force stop people, it means we don't have democratic, and we can lose our fundamental right and our right. So as a democratic nation, we have some freedom.
Yes, I appreciate the sir point. India is the democratic country. So according to me, government cannot decide what to take and what not to take. We have own freedom in our according to our constitution, and the government is to say protect our freedom. So we can decide what we have to take or not.
And government also banned, we cannot drive vehicle after consuming liquor. So government also banned these things. So, and also there is many checkposts where there is police, they check driver and other people. So these things also banned in our nation, but consuming liquor should not be banned.
According to me, while drinking and drive, lots of the people, and corruption is everywhere. Corruption in that situation, I think that most of the people, just they give the bribe to the policeman. After that, just whatever they want to do, they do, and after that they have accident. It is also cause of accident while drinking and drive. It is really bad.
Yes, ma'am, I am not agree with your point, because we cannot say our police is just corrupt and not good. Our police is good, and I also every day proud of our police. So thing is that if there is corruption, so by corruption people can take liquor from other way illegally. So yes, government should be stop corruption and these illegal things, but should not be ban liquor.
In our tradition, I think, in a family, suppose the person is going to get married, and if they invite to some relatives, firstly they will say that, I think that no, if the liquor you will give the liquor to us, also after that we will come, and after that we will just, if you will not give to us, if you will not distribute that liquor in the marriage, after that I think they will feel very bad. Yeah, they didn't distribute. We make the tradition in the marriage. I think that it is not important to the liquor should be available in your marriage. It is really bad.
Definitely, I agree with you. But in the present scenario, our mindset is if you provide liquor, then it will show your status of symbol. So it's totally connected to our status of symbol.
We need to show up in our society. People has this thinking. Yeah, we need to show up in our society, and after that they spend lots of money in not only marriage, every occasion. If the birthday is going on in someone family, after that the liquor distribute over there. We make I think these type of traditions.
There are many Christians in India. If we ban the liquor in the marriage, so it shows that we are not respecting their culture. So I think we all say that India is a sovereign country, So after that, it will a cause of a discrimination in India.
Hence, in our country, we share border with 8 different nations. There is 8 countries who share border with us, and we are not developed nation. We are developing nation, and these 8 nation also developing nation. If we compare these nation, these nation has not good facilities, and the government also not strong. What happen if in our nation liquors will be banned? Same time these nation illegally sell liquor in our nation. For example, there is Myanmar, there is Bangladesh, there is Sri Lanka, there is Maldives. These nation, if we ban liquor, so definitely these nation by illegal manner sell liquor in our nation. So it will be not good our nation, because people will pay money for those foreign country, and also they will not pay tax. So it will be not good for our nation. And as my friend mentioned, in Christian culture, if liquor will be banned in our nation, so for according to their culture, they will get liquor by illegal manner. So it's not good.
Also,
Partially agree with
Yeah,
you.
But
most of,
you cannot
most
say
of,
if
most of.
Yes,
you cannot say that.
Yes, I partially
ban
agree with you. Because of liquor, it may increase. But just think, if we say rape cases due to liquor, it's not good, because there is many reason like good education, good infrastructure, good mindset. Because there is many reason of rape case. Okay, friends. In Sanskrit, there is a sentence: "Ati sarvatra varjate." If there is a thing, if we consume more and more that thing, so it definitely will affect our body. Maybe food, maybe fast food, everything. If you are running more and more, it also affect your body. So I want to relate this by liquor. If we consume more liquor, it is definitely injurious to our health. But same time, if we are doing social drink and moderate drink, so it will be good for our health. So we cannot stop, we cannot ban liquor because of some person who are taking more and more liquor, because there are many people using drugs, many people have addiction of fast food. These are also affected our body. So it is not good to ban liquor.
Okay, sir, as you said that a person who take fast food, it affect their health. But a person who is a boozer, who take lots of liquor, it affect their whole family. Not only the health of that person, it affect their whole family. They spend their all earning, all money on purchasing, on buying the liquor, and they don't focus on the education of their children's, which affect their study also. So liquor shop should be banned, because it is a cause. It causes addiction.
Yes, I'm really agree with my teammates, and because of the liquor, as ma'am mentioned, that most of the people, they forget in their family condition, and lots of the boozers, firstly they take liquor more and more, and after that they come to in that situation whenever they have nothing to buy the liquor, they sell their everything. They fight in their family every time for the liquor. It is really bad thing for that.
If ma'am, you are right, but just think, if a person has addiction, so it means not we are banned liquor in whole state and whole nation. Because if we ban, so if a person has addiction, he will just use next way, he just use hooch, and it also more and more dangerous to his health. If he will use a good wine, so it just not more bad for his health.